take a knife from the table. Where do I take a knife?
You can use my spoon.
Would you like it to do that?
Only the one side.
Oh, okay. Ah.
No.
Blow out the candles. Oh, whoa. I think I'll let them go out. Okay. You ready? The last cake I saw cut like this was Mike and Wendy's, where'd they go? Wedding cake. And they didn't smash each other. Yes, yes.
Nice.